Gold and silver both have traded bearish yesterday, where we have seen specifically silver trading with strong bearish bias. Can we expect a recovery today in metals? Can we expect the bullishness to resume, or there is a possibility of a further drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session, before the major data releases and the news coming in from US. And thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and which is always a great motivation and support. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till. Look at gold on the hourly charts. You can find out lower highs and lower lows are seen here, and it is almost hitting the bottom again, trying to bounce back. See, with the yesterday's drop, we have seen it is almost formed a double bottom, and it is trying to recover. I will not say that it is turned bearish as of now, as long as these levels are respected, which means it is very important for gold to trade below 23, 14, 15 zone. See, moving averages are trading bearish here. It has crossed over. Prices are also divergent. We have seen it converging here. I will not say that it has turned bullish as well, as long as it is trading below 23.55 levels here. Stochastic overbought. MACD. Look at MACD. It has crossed over at the bottom. It is trading with divergence, looking bullish, looking upwards. RSI is staying flat, coming to 2. The observation is more or less same on the 2 hour charts, lower highs, and it is trying to bounce back towards the top of the channel, which is right now sitting at around 23.50. And yes, breaching beyond this channel is where the bulls are waiting, else it is right now trading in a zone. Very clear here. Yes, 23.35, 36, which was the buying level yesterday, is again going to be the buying level today. So if you see gold is staying above 23.36, you can initiate a buying position. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is rising here, coming to 3 hours. The observation is more or less same. Divide this into two. Symmetrical formation here. You can see identically symmetrical. Where it is consolidated, it may try to consolidate here in this zone itself, which means the possibility for a move towards 23.50 exists. But again, 23.36, which have proven out to be resistance yesterday, you have to watch out here. You can buy 23.36, wait for 23.40, 41 zone. Beyond this, certainly we can look forward to 48.50. Stochastic rising. The MACD is also trying to converge, and RSI is also trying to trade bullish. On the 4 hour, the observation is more or less same. First bullish candle with double bottom here, second candle in making, and it is trying to trade bullish. Possibility exists that it may try to move towards 23.40 or in fact higher. So what it appears on the pattern that gold may try to move towards 23.50 levels here, and even if it is to trade bearish, it has to strike these levels before looking again on the downside. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to cross over for the buys, and RSI is bullish. Coming to daily chart. And before we look into daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 31st mentorship batch starting 10th of June. In this batch, I have encapsulated all my years of learning and experience in the form of tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can trade profitably. Else, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can profit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the service. Also, those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link also is there in the channel and video description. You'll get the lowest spreads, you'll get no hidden charges, and you can enjoy your trading. Now, look at the daily charts here. See, on the daily charts, very clear. See, what the channel we have seen here on the hourly charts is getting replicated here on the daily charts as well. See, it is trading in this bearish channel. And remember, now this zone is very critical, 23.50, 55, and then 23.62.5, 60. As long as gold stays below this, we have to be careful. But right now it appears that, see, red, green, red, and it is trying to take the support here from 23.25, trying to bounce. So if you see gold staying above 23.36, you can buy for 23.40, 41, and then I will wait for 23.48, 50 zone as the next target. If at any point of time gold breaks beyond 23.55, stay bullish. We are looking for a breakout journey towards 23.62.5, 65, and beyond that more bullishness. But right now, that does not appear to be the case. Remember, prices can reverse any point of time. As long as 23.55 is not taken, we can see a stronger reversal. And once it draws below 23, 24, 25, we can say that the bears will take over, and then I will look forward to 23.16 levels, first target. And if it breaks below 23.16, 14 zone, stay bearish for 23.08, 10, first target, 2300, the next target. Take your position accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the early charts traded bearish yesterday. It is in fact shown sharp bearishness, and see, now it has retraced towards the 20 period moving average, which is indeed a greater resistance. Also, we know that 2980 is also a greater resistance zone. Previously, it was the support below $30 levels. Now this is the resistance level. So if you see it is staying above 29.80, we can initiate a buying entry. But remember, $30 levels, very, very strong. 30 and 30-20. This is the zone silver needs to break in order to continue on the upside. Now, if you look at the formation, look at the waves here: drop, retracement, drop, retracement. How far it could retrace? We can look forward to this zone here at around 30, 25, 30. And if it breaks beyond 30, 50, 30, 60, you can say that silver is reversing, else it is still not to be treated bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD hitting the lows here, it is trying to diverge, it is staying bullish. RSI is rising. On the 2 hour, the observation is more or less same here. You can see that it is almost formed a flat bottom, and here is the divergence from the 20-50 period moving average. So possibility for a conversion exists, and thus this zone is what you have to watch out for. Beyond 29.80, certainly we can look forward to a bullish momentum which can take the prices towards 30, 30, 20 zone, first target zone, then 30, 40, 30, 50 also can be expected here. But see, there are greater resistances in silver as long as, I will say, 30, 50, 30, 60 zone is not taken. So you have to just put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. I cannot avoid saying that there are very close by resistances for silver on the upside. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for the buys. RSI is staying flat here. On the 3 hour charts, now, also in the 3 hour charts, right now it is trading bullish and it has scope for a further rise as well. Here, if you look at on the hourly charts, it has hit the 20 period moving average. On the 3 hour chart, the 20 period moving average is somewhere here at around 30, 30, 20 zone. And if you look at the history here, yes, we can see it creating the waves. So possibility for silver to move towards this zone exists. On the downside, now see 29.40. I have mentioned yesterday, I have mentioned many times before, 29.40, 29.50 is the support zone. It is respected so far. Stochastic oversold trying to recover, MACD is bearish trying to converge, and RSI coming out of the oversold zone here. Coming to 4 hour, look at 4 hour charts here. Retracement towards 20-50 period moving average. It can still retrace towards the 50 period and 20 period moving average, which means it can try to trade with little bullishness. The support here at 29, 50, and 40 is very, very strong, and with that as support, we can see it retracing. How high? We can look forward to 30, 20, 30, 50 levels as well. Stochastic rising from the oversold. The MACD is bearish. The RSI coming out of the oversold zone here. Coming to now, look at daily chart. See, bearish candles taken the support here. Now it has breached the 20 period moving average. Also, if you look at one bullish candle, second bearish candle, and this candle is trying to retrace. Remember, as long as I will say 30, 50 levels are not taken, the chances of a reversal will be very, very high in silver. What it could do for the day, it could try to trade bullish here, and with the US session, it can completely reverse the trend here, moving towards $29. So I will say, as long as 30, 60 levels are not taken, we have to be careful with silver. Only and only if it breaks beyond 30, 50, 30, 60, we can say now we are looking forward to $31 levels. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is still bearish. It is looking downwards, and RSI is dropped as well. So looking at this, it appears that with the Europe session, with the Asia session, silver prices might rise towards 30, 20, 30, 40 levels, and with the US session and with the data coming in, we can see a complete reversal. So you have to be trading with caution. Yes, you can buy at 29.80. Be careful for 31, 31.20 zone, first target zone, and in fact 31.40, 50 zone, the next target zone. Beyond that, little bullishness can be expected if it breaks 31.60. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is only at 29.50 levels, below which we will look forward to 29.25, $29 levels as the next target. Below 29, I see 29, 28, 90 zone is the very, very good support zone for silver on the downside. Below this, you can look forward for silver to break towards $28 levels very, very soon. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Do watch that video as well.